Hello birdies, today we are going to explore a new bird watching spot near Mumbai. It's Barvi Dam bird watching point, which is well marked on Google Maps. It's actually a dense forest surrounded to a beautiful Barvi lake on which this dam is built. Once you cross the Barvi Dam gate, you will see this forest checkpoint, and this is your landmark. The trail adjacent to this cabin takes you down to the lake waterfront. For nature lovers like us, being into wild is more related to being protective. It automatically makes you feel responsible for protection of this forest. This tiny tickell'sblueflycatcher bird has very shiny blue and orange color, and it stands out in this green canopy. It perched on an open branch and allowed us to take some good photographs. This is not only famous for its color but also for its musical calls. Here are some other beautiful birds we came across while moving on this trail. Once we cross this signboard, the trail ends and we witness a lake view and serene water. Just staring at water allows our minds to be calm and peaceful. While returning from this trail, we could spot one of the finest mimic artists in the world. That's a greater racketrel drongo. It is well known for its mimic abilities. Then our bird version of Alfonso Mango, that's colorful Indian pitta or navrang in Marathi. A black and white large crocus shrike, and finally a bird we were waiting for since long, a jungle owlet. We felt contented after sighting of this beautiful crepuscular species. Crepuscular means the bird is most active about 1 hour before dusk and 1 hour after sunrise. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please keep supporting by like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.